Hello, this is Fuki from CoinLudens. What I will explain this time is the one coin routine. As the name suggests, it's a procedure performed with just one coin. The techniques used are only the basic ones, and there is also a punchline at the end. The techniques that is being used are diverse and are also ideal as practice pieces. With few setups and excellent improvisational qualities. It's perfect for quickly performing when someone asks you to show something. I used to think how nice it would be to have such easy to perform procedures when I was a student. This is a procedures that can be used in various situations. Please make sure to master them and give them a try. Now, let's go to the explanation.